Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to send money from PayPal to Cash App without bank account. Now, in order to do this, you first have to link your bank account with both PayPal and Cash App. So, if you want to link a bank account with PayPal, then you will have to open paypal.com, or you can even launch PayPal mobile application, and there you will be able to see the option of add card or bank. So, you simply need to click on that option, and then you need to click on link a bank account. After that, you need to provide your bank account details such as your account number and IFSC code and some further information as per your country, and you simply need to click on link your bank account. If you want to link your bank account on Cash App, then you will have to launch your Cash App, and you simply need to start linking your bank account with that. You need to make sure the same bank is linked with your PayPal as well as with your Cash App account. After that, you can use that bank account to transfer money from PayPal to your linked bank. For that, you can choose the instant transfer or the standard transfer option as per your convenience. The second method that you can use to send your money from PayPal to Cash App without a card is you can order a new Cash App cash card. So it's free debit card that is linked to your Cash App balance. After that, you can link that Cash App cash card to PayPal. This will allow you to use your cash card details for payments on PayPal. Then you can add money to your Cash App balance using that cash card. So once it is linked successfully, funds can be added using the cash card on PayPal will be reflected in the Cash App balance. So if you have the Cash App cash card, you can do this. If you link the same bank account with Cash App and PayPal, then you can transfer your money. So now let me show you how you can do this. So you will have to tap on this money tab in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. After that, you will be redirected on this money page where you are going to see your current cash balance. Now over here, you will have to tap on add cash. After that, you need to enter the amount that you want to add. Then you need to press add button in the bottom. Next, it will ask you to confirm your cash pin. So you just have to provide the 4-digit cash pin, and you simply need to press next in the bottom. Afterwards, it will show you that you have successfully added this much amount to Cash App. So you simply need to tap on done in the bottom. This way you will be able to easily send money from PayPal to Cash App without bank account. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.